these gangs have occupied crucial estate zones, including the airstrip of Stoi, crippling operations and placing lives and property at substantial risk. EPK is one of the largest tea-growing enterprises in Kenya. It is important to note that it is the second largest seller of tea on the Mombasa auction. EPK supports over 15,000 smallholder farmers in Nandi County and is far the largest buyer of green leaf from partner growers in the Nandi region. For example, in the year 2024, EPK, that is Eastern Produce Kenya, paid out more than 3.75 billion Kenya shillings to smallholder farmers. At peak operations, EPK maintains over 8,000 employees with an annual wage bill of more than 1.4 billion Kenya shillings. Further, within the county, EPK is a key pillar of the local economy, providing more than 2 billion worth of community investments and procurement opportunities for local contractors and service providers per year. That is only one company. But if you look at the entire KTGA, the number is much bigger. Now, if the invasion, theft, and damage to private investments by organized crime syndicates is allowed to continue, the potential ramifications for local security, the rule of law, and investment are dire. If not stopped forthwith, this illegal activity will be an affront to the rule of law and the integrity of the courts. Besides, if you look at this, Kenya is a wonderful country, and I'm sure the leadership of this country is not going to allow us to slide into Zimbabwe issues. The leadership can't allow. So these activities have already occasioned massive economic losses. As we speak now, EPK is losing close to 30 million Kenya shillings per month, just because of these criminal activities. So, if these activities continue, please note, there will be losses to the local and the national economy at the time when the government has been keen to enhance revenue. Both tax revenues and forex earnings are in jeopardy. Consequently, the Kenya Tea Growers Association hereby urges the highest officers of government and the Ministry of Interior and the National Administration, as well as the Inspector General of Police, among other security agencies, to promptly intervene and urgently restore security at Stoi Estate. Just some brief histories. In May 2023, when there was invasion in Kericho, actually we complained to the same government and security agencies, and we appealed to the president actually directly, and those nonsense were quelled. We believe that the Kenya government is going to take this seriously because we are a key player in the economy. So, failure to do this, the insecurity and employment situation in the country is likely to escalate further. The association